Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Mimi G. I'm back for today's video guys. I have one, I think this is group again. You know, when I see it to another blogger, I thought this is from Korea. Alright? But I'm so sorry guys. I'm so laughing, but this group is my kabayan. It's Filipino. When I checking, because actually if I'm making that reaction on the spot, I'm watching, and then I did not watch because it's nothing excited if you are already watched like this, but I just scroll that